I'm Sir Oliver, your online math tutor. Hanap tayo ng magandang spot para mag-record ang ingay ng kapitbahay. Okay, dito tayo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa bagong video ko na ipopost everyday. Ito ang kauna-unahan nating Challenge Yourself activity. So maggagawa ko ng Challenge Yourself activity sa mga panibagong topics natin na i-upload. So this time, it's all about multiplying and dividing rational expression. Kailangan ay napanood mo na yung video ko tungkol sa simplifying rational expression. And of course, kailangan ay na-master mo na yan para makasagot ka sa activity natin. Multiplying rational expressions at dividing rational expression. Challenge yourself. Paano yung gagawin natin? So, I'm hoping na makikipag-participate kayo sa akin. Pwede nyo tong i-share or i-post sa inyong Facebook and tag your friends or classmates to answer our Challenge Yourself activity by posting your answer dun sa ating comment section. So, let us reflect first. Operation with rational numbers is consistently one of the least mastered topics in mathematics. Students have a hard time adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing rational expressions. So, I agree. So, even before, nung nag-start pa ako magturo, ay talagang nahihirapan akong ipaintindi sa mga estudyante ko yung rational expression, lalo na kapag involved na yung mga operations. Kasi itong topic na to ay sunod-sunod mag-start sa factoring method. Kapag hindi master ng mga estudyante yung mga different factoring methods, ay talagang hindi sila makakasagot. So what does it take to master this topic? I think practice makes better. No? Try lang ng try until you succeed or get the answer. Pwede nyo naman balikan yung mga video na na-post ko na. Pwede nyong ulit-ulitin. At pwede rin kayong mag-search ng mga activity sa internet. Marami yan. Just type the title tapos lagyan nyo worksheet or activity with solution. But don't worry, I will be compiling my materials para sa inyo na ipapamigay ko for free. Basta panoorin nyo lang yung mga videos ko araw-araw. Basta wag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. And then, give this video a thumbs up kung nasagutan nyo ba yung ating activity. And then, don't forget to comment. So, please be honest. Just comment down your answer in the comment box section. Ayan. Siguro pupusuan natin yung makakuha ng correct answer. Again, I'm hoping for your active participation. So, no need to post the video. Nag-alat na ako ng time sa mga sasagutan nyo. So, I have prepared 3 problems. So, this will be our problem 1. So, you need to divide 9x squared plus 3x minus 2 over 12x squared plus 5x minus 2 divided by 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 over 8x squared plus 10x minus 3. Ang haba, bes. So, kumuha ka na ng papel at ballpen at mag-start ka ng magsagot. Huwag ka nang tumingin sa katabi mo at wala kang classmate dyan sa bahay. Dito talaga ay matututo kang mag-self-study, lalo na sa math class. Ayan, kaya nagawa ko ng mga tutorial videos para makatulong sa lahat ng mga Math 8 students dyan. And then, gagawa pa rin ako ng ibang video sa ibang grade level. So, abangan nyo po. Okay, problem 2. Medyo pa-intense pa yung ating problem. Siguro mahaba-haba na naman ito. Divide. Boom. B squared minus B minus 20 over B squared minus 3B minus 10 divided by B squared plus 4B minus 5 over B squared plus 7B plus 10. Problem 3. Teka, na-excite ako, guys. Naku po, talagang pa-intense po ang ating problem number 3. Ayaw ka agad lumabas. Hold your breath. Divide and multiply. X squared minus x minus 2 over x plus 1 divided by the x squared minus 4x plus 4 over x squared plus 7x plus 12 times x minus 4 over 2x plus 8. So that will be our last problem. Thank you for your active participation. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Answer will be posted.